So today I'm doing another makeup collection video, and this is going to be all about the most products I own in the category of color correctors. So color correctors is something that a few years ago I probably owned like one or two of max, and somehow my collection of color correctors has grown exponentially over the last like 2 years or so. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you all of the color correctors that I have. I'm pretty sure I've made video reviews on like most of these, but yeah, let's get started. Also, I think like 99% of all of these are Korean color correcting products that I own. I feel like that's just like, in general, color correcting has kind of been like a big trend over the past few years, and it's also like a really big kind of thing in Korea. So these two are both from Peripera. They are the ink skin tints tone up kind of thing. So the first one I have is number 4. It's called the peach tone up. This one's just like their regular one, and then this one is the mint one. This one came out this summer, and it was like a special limited edition one for the Doll Factory. So there is a mint one and there is a peach one. I definitely did videos on these, so if you want to know more about what I think about any of these, definitely check out my videos. These next ones, again, I have reviewed. These are all from the brand Apu. These are called the Base Makers. These were some of like the first kind of Korean products that I tried, and I really liked these. So I have the green one, I have the pink one. There is one that is in a blue package, but it's actually just kind of like a whitening lightening kind of one. And then I have 2 of the glow one, which I forget about these all the time, and I really like these. I forget that I have these, so I definitely need to pull these out whenever I like use up some more products. But those are some of the Base Maker ones that I have. These are also some that I have from Peripera. These are called the Blur Pong Milk. So this video, I don't know why, but it got like so many views. A lot of my color correcting videos do get more views, so I think that's kind of why I've also done more of those, because people just seem to be interested in them and like want to know about these type of color correcting products. So that's another reason why I have so many of these. And to be honest, on a day-to-day basis, I don't really use color correctors that often, just because I already take so many steps to do my makeup. It's just like another kind of step. So I will definitely try to like use these more, but to be like completely honest, I just don't use color correctors on a day-to-day basis. So like I was saying, these are from Peripera. These are the Blur Pong. So there's 3 different ones of these as well. I have the peach one. This one smells like a peach milk. There is the yellow one that smells like a banana milk. And then there is another kind of white one that just kind of lightens your skin. And this one just is like a pure white milk. So this one has more of like a little powdery kind of scent to it. This is just like a little one random one that I got. This one is the Face Shop. It's called the Air Cotton Makeup Base. And this one is another mint one. This one was like super inexpensive. I think I paid like maybe $2 or $3 for this one, but I probably could use like mint ones more. So that is what that one looks like. And then when you obviously blend it all out, it kind of blends into your skin a bit more, so it kind of cancels some of that redness without like, you know, making your face look like alphaba. These are probably the only 2 that I have that are not Korean brands, and these are probably like the original color correctors that I owned. These are both from e.l.f. I don't know if they make these anymore. These are called the HD Lifting Concealers. So I have one in like the lavender kind of color, and then the other one I have is the green color. So to be honest, I never even used this one, because this like green like is like super green. Like this one you have to be careful with, because that one will turn your skin like actually looking green. So like there's the difference between that one. So this one is actually, I like to use this as like a colored eyeshadow base sometimes if I'm doing like a green or like a minty eyeshadow look. That's kind of how I like to use this one. And then the like lavender one, this one's like super brightening, but it's again super pigmented, which I kind of prefer my color correctors to be a little bit more sheer and stuff. Like this one obviously blends in quite a bit more, but I don't really have too much of a purpose for that purple one, so I'm not sure why I own it, but I do. And then I think all the rest of these are all like cushion correctors. Now these I spent a buttload of money on, and I did reviews on these and stuff as well. These I think also got a few more views. These are from the I'm Mimi brand, and they are called the I'm Cushion Correctors, and they were like their little macaroon cushions. So I have 4 of these. There is the green and the purple, and then there is the peachy and like this pinky kind of highlightery one. So I have all of those. I remember when I bought these, they were like $16 a piece, which is really expensive, and I never use these, so that's unfortunate. But I still have these, and I don't know, they're just kind of too cute to get rid of and stuff. I think they also have like a bronzer cushion in this as well, but I don't own that one. And similar to those last ones, these are from Wet n Wild. These are their mega cushion color correctors that I got all of these as well. I feel like these were probably closer to like, I don't know, maybe like $5 to $8 a piece. There are quite a few more of these than the Mimi ones. So the first one I have, this one's actually like a highlighter, so it's not really a color corrector, but it's in the same line. It's called Who's That Pearl? So that one's like a pinkier, metallic-y kind of one. Then I have this one, and this one is just called Peach. The next one, this one is called Green. That's the mint one. There is a yellow cushion corrector. Then I have the purple cushion corrector. That one is called Lavender. And then the last one I have is the bronzer one, and this one is called Cafe Au Slay. So those I think are all my correctors. Let me count them up and see how many I have. And I have a grand total of 23 color correctors. I definitely don't need that many. How many do I have that are green? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are green, 2 that are yellow. I think I have like 5 or 6 that are pink, and you know, a handful of lavender ones. So I definitely need to work these into my makeup collection or like my makeup routine more, because I don't want these products to just like go to waste or anything. But again, I don't really find myself using color correctors on a daily basis. So maybe I should pick some out to try to work into my makeup now. Anyway, that is my color correcting collection. Definitely a lot more than I thought I had. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, I do have reviews on majority of these color correctors. So if you want to like see those, then definitely check out my channel, because I have tons and tons of videos just waiting to be consumed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.